Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and today on the Really Merry episode, I have Jason Bailey of FCI. Was there an extra after FCI? Because I only call you FCI.
It's FCI Homes, but yeah, I even call myself Jason FCI all the time, so yeah.
And Jason, as my guest, you get to give me your best Really Merry.
Really Merry.
I love it. Anyway, we thought we'd do something a little different with these that we're going to do over a period of time, is really follow Jason and this project he has here. But first of all, Jason, tell everybody who FCI Homes is and what you do here on Marco Island.
So FCI Homes has been building here on Marco since the early 90s. We've built almost 450 homes here, and you know, we typically build homes between 17 and 2,400 square feet, but over the last several years we've been building larger homes, and this is one of them actually. So
that's awesome. I know we've done lots of transactions with you, with homes, with our buyers that have really had a wonderful experience building with you, and that's why I love having you and following this home as you progress. So let's go on in and take a look at this home and see what's happening. So Jason, where are we in the build process with this home here on Saturn?
You know, right now we're still in the beginning stages. Today and yesterday we were working on putting the stem wall block up. So we had pilings, I think the last time you were here.
Right.
You saw all the footers done. So basically we've got all the concrete block here. We put block on top of that. We've got all the steel rebar in corners and every 4 feet on center. Basically the next step is that the concrete guys are going to come and they're going to fill all these cells full of concrete. And then after that's done, we're going to start backfilling this whole area with fill dirt, and then we're going to move to plumbing and slab prep.
So Jason, we're standing in the garage right now, are we?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
This is a 3-car garage on this particular home.
Nice. And this backfill that we're going to fill in here, this is probably the family room or the master?
Correct, yeah. This area over here is basically a large family room, some stairs, front entries right behind, and then the master suite's over on the far end with the pool deck and lanai in the back. This is a 2-story house, 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3,200 square feet under air.
Wow, huge project here. As I said, we're going to be following this along as he builds, and hopefully we'll get Jason to come back and give us some more details as we go along. But until next time, we hope to see you here on Marco Island. And let's face it, building a house with FCI Homes. Ciao.